Hi guys, it's Paige and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here and not yet already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. But today is, I want to say Sunday. Today's Father's Day also, so happy Father's Day to all of your dads, plus my dad watching this. But we just got back home from family brunch. I was just sitting down and I saw this really cool recipe for healthy blondies. I used to be obsessed with blondies when I was little because I hated chocolate. I don't know how. I love chocolate now, but I used to be obsessed with them. So usually for every Father's Day, I always make my dad a special treat. Cookies, brownies, whatever it may be for that year. But since I'm on my health journey, I haven't really been baking, and I have been really trying to find healthy recipes that I can still make something sweet but also still stay healthy. You feel? I haven't baked, I want to say, in almost like 2 weeks since I've been on this health journey. My family doesn't know how to react. They're very upset, to say the least. But I wanted to bake my dad something this year and still stay on my health journey. So I found this blondie recipe that looks really good. I think the website is nobread.com, something like that. I feel like usually when it's like healthy brownies, healthy cookies, they never like look good. And I'm a huge sweet tooth girl when it comes to baking. And if I'm baking something, like, it has to be good. So this is the real taste test. I'm really excited, nervous to try these, but I thought I would vlog it for you guys and hopefully they turn out well. Crossing my fingers. I also want this just to be a super chill, casual, carefree vlog, so peace. So yeah, let's do it. I just stopped to grab a coffee with my dad before I started filming this. How do we feel about this pinky ring, guys? Do we like it? I'm getting off topic, but I really am trying to decide if I like it or if it just looks weird. Pinky ring? No pinky ring. Comment down below. Okay, let's see what we need for this. Also, how bomb do these look? So good. Oh my gosh, I hope mine look like that. These are all so paleo, by the way, for anyone wondering. I'm gonna go measure everything out right now and also preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Key. Okay, everything is laid out. I just finished measuring everything. So first we have some almond flour, then we have the coconut sugar, we have some almond milk, some eggs, a little bit of coconut oil, and then some baking soda and salt. Of course, a little bit of vanilla. And lastly, we have chocolate chips. I only had semi-sweet chocolate chips in my cabinet, but of course, if you guys have dark chocolate, use those. But these are the ones I'm using. The first ingredient is almond flour, then the coconut sugar, and then the baking soda and the salt. And then I'm gonna just mix this with a fork. I'm gonna set this to the side and I'm gonna get a separate bowl to mix all of my wet ingredients now. Okay, so first we're gonna put our coconut oil in here. So just gonna quickly whisk my eggs before I put this in. Your almond milk. And then it says 1 teaspoon of vanilla, but I go a little extra because I feel like you can never have too much vanilla. Okay, so I'm gonna take all my wet ingredients and put them in my dry ingredients. Smells so good, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna start off with 1 really full tablespoon and see how it goes. Gonna do another like half a tablespoon. And then I'll just sprinkle some more on top. I'm gonna put this in the oven for around like 25 minutes. I just checked the oven to see how the blondies are turning out and they look unreal. I'm so excited. I literally just took these out of the oven. They look so good. Oh my gosh. Whoa, I did that. I think I'm gonna let these cool for like 10-ish minutes because supposedly they're supposed to be really gooey on the inside. So I'm gonna let them cool and then I'll cut them up and show you how they look. Okay, Blake, you want to be the first?
Not really.
Okay. Wait, look how good these look. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are gonna be bomb. Okay, here. Happy Father's Day. Cheers.
By the way, she wrote me the most beautiful card.
Okay.
Oh my god. Literally good.
Oh my gosh.
Need milk.
Wait, these are stupid. So
good.
good. You guys need to try these. I'm literally in shock at how good these are.
Thank you.
Of course. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. The recipe is going to be linked down below for you guys. And if you guys try these, tag me so I can see how they turned out. I think I'm going to end this video off here. Probably going to make a second post this week because this video was pretty short. So stay tuned for that. Just wanted to make a quick little video to say hi to you guys and show you guys this healthy little recipe I found. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know a bunch of you guys were asking for more cooking inspo videos. So comment down below if you like this and I'll totally film more like it for you guys. And yeah, so don't forget to give this a huge thumbs up, comment and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. My hair is crazy. Okay, so somehow I managed to get my camera in this angle. I have absolutely no clue how, but it looks really professional and I'm not mad about it.
Oh my god.
You really liked it. I'm getting nervous. This is my first time making this. Look how good this looks.
Look at you in your professional kitchen.
If you guys saw how my camera is right now, you would laugh.
No, you need to take a picture
Yeah.
of how janky it is.
Yeah.
And how good it looks.
He submitted right here. Cheers.